Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nanda, and in today's video, we are going to be working out. And today's inspiration came from none other than the Queen, Jennifer Lopez. And we all know that Jennifer is in her 50s and looking so spectacular and more amazing than ever. And so for us that we're in our 40s and we're wanting to get stronger and healthier, then we could definitely take some tips from the Queen herself. So I'm going to tell you that I put together this workout, which is going to be very beginner friendly and you can perform at home. But before we get started, let me tell you a little bit about her ab workout and the background behind it. So a couple of years ago, one of her trainers came out in Oprah magazine talking a little bit about her diet and her training schedule. And we all know that she has a phenomenal diet. And so, I mean, that is something that you do need to consider if you're wanting to have washboard abs. But at the same time, there's nothing stopping you from having stronger abs. And you can get stronger abs by working out. So the workout that she basically does consists of 3 exercises over 3 sets and a prescribed number of repetitions. And so let me just tell you what that is. So the first exercise is a hanging ab raise. The second is a rope crunch. And then the third one is an incline sit up with a 45-pound plate. And so she does those 3 exercises, like I mentioned, over 3 sets. But then the first set is 50 repetitions. The second is 35 repetitions, and the third one is 21 reps. Now, I know that if you're a beginner, you're probably thinking that's almost impossible for me to do, because that's what I thought, because I'm like, there's no way that I could do that. Now, what it got me to thinking is that even though a lot of us are not at her fitness level, we can grow the strength to get to that fitness level. And so what I wanted to do then is put together a beginner-friendly workout that you could do anywhere at home and when you're traveling, wherever, that you don't require a gym, but it will grow your strength in your abs and your core. And so I found alternative exercises for each one of the ones that she performs, and I put together a short circuit, which is going to be a 9-minute circuit, of which, again, it's going to be a total of 3 exercises over 3 sets. Now, what I like to do, if you're not familiar with my workouts, I like to do circuits. And what I do is, on the first exercise, we do 40-second movement, we rest for 20 seconds, and then we move on to the next exercise. So I like to add bells and alarms throughout the workout so you know when to begin and when to stop. And then I also give you about a 3 to 4 second short video before the exercise so you know exactly what we're going to be performing next. So it's very easy to follow along, and we got great music for you to get into your workout. Now, I do want you to stay until the end of this video. So when you finish your workout, just hear me out, because I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to make this workout more challenging as you grow your strength in your core. So with that, let's get to the workout.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. watch me breaking. I swear you're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. I swear you're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and put up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that workout because I know that I did. And yesterday is when I actually recorded that workout, and today I'm actually feeling it. Now, for the last 3 tips that I have for you in order to make this workout more challenging and to get your abs stronger, is the first tip is going to be the simplest tip, is basically just do this video 2 or 3 times. So if you do it 3 times, that's 27 minutes of a phenomenal ab workout. And so that's gonna give you the strength, actually get you to doing Jennifer Lopez ab workout. Now, the second tip that I have for you is add resistance. Okay, so where can we add resistance? Every single one of those movements that we perform today, we can add some resistance. The first one, which was the leg raises, we can get some ankle weights. That would definitely add more resistance. Number 2, the crunches. Grab a dumbbell or little plate, 5-10 pound plate, and then use that to add resistance. And for the actual sit-up, if you have a 10-pound plate or a 45-pound plate, then add that until you feel strong enough. So that's number 2. Number 3, I suggest that you feel that you're more at an intermediate level and that you're ready to try and tackle JLo's workout, then go ahead and go to the gym. If you have a gym membership, of course, go ahead and go to the gym and get to doing the actual workout. Try it out. If it doesn't come easy on the first try, then I might recommend that you actually lower the repetitions. So for example, with her workout, she does 50 reps, 35 reps, and then 21 reps. So go ahead and half each one of those and get started at that level until you can progressively move up to her level. There you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope that you are growing stronger abs just like I'm trying to do myself. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. If there's another workout from someone else that you want me to look at to see if we can find alternative exercises that are beginner friendly, then please, by all means, let me know and I would be happy to take a look at that. All right, guys, with that, I want to thank you so much. And until next time, I hope you have a stronger and healthier life.
I just